In this video, I will show you how to create your first post. First, go to the navigation bar and select Create Post. You'll enter this screen with a step-by-step instruction of how to create your post. So first, you'll need to enter your post title. I'll enter Crossroads here. Then you can move to the post body, so you can enter the body of your post here. I will select What a Crossroads. If you then scroll down, you can upload an image. So I will upload the image I selected here and then use the file in my post. As you can see, you also can create variants. This is basically used to vary your content and to make sure not everyone is sending the same post with the same image. So you can make a variation based on translation. You can make a variation based on artificial intelligence as well, which basically means that you have to create one post and the AI engine will create multiple posts for you with a different text. So this is perfect for varying your content for your different ambassadors. You can do the same thing with your images. So if you upload an image and you upload multiple images, you can also let your ambassadors choose which image they want to use, or you can create variations based on the different images that you have uploaded. If we then scroll down, you can select your platforms. This will normally show your default selected platforms from the theme settings, but you can always add, for example, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook here. LinkedIn is set as my default for this example. Then we have the topic overview. So here you can select the topics from your content strategy and select which post belongs to which topic here. So I will select new customers for this example. If you fill that in, you can see a preview on the right top of your screen. So this is a LinkedIn preview or Facebook preview. You can click them by selecting the different platforms here. You can see LinkedIn is green here, so I have selected LinkedIn only and we'll move on to the next step. So click Proceed and then you'll be able to choose your channels. Here you can see the variants. So now I only have, of course, one variant, but if you have multiple variants, you can even select multiple people for the different variants that you have created. So I will select Koen and myself and my Facebook business page here, and then we'll move on to the next step. The final step is the sending screen, which basically means that you'll now get to schedule your post. So you can schedule it now, so all notifications will go out right away, or you can schedule it based on a time frame. So basically you can say, okay, I want to share it between the 8th and the 12th, for example, and then the system will automatically divide the posts during this time over the people that you have selected in your Choose Channel screen. You can always customize some options as well, so you can exclude the weekends here. This will always be set on your defaults, but you can change the defaults per post if you want to. So you can change the options here. If you then scroll down, you have some final editing you can do. So you can change the subject, so the email subject, for example, and you can add an additional message if you want to send some extra information for one of your ambassadors, for example. You can always change the reward system as well, so you can decide how many points your post is worth, but we'll explain more about this in the gamification and leaderboard chapter later on in this course. The final thing you can do is assign an additional approver. So let's say you have a post, but you need someone to approve it first. You can select this button and then select an approver first. They will get a notification and they can approve the post first, and then it will be scheduled for the rest of the team. If you want to do some additional checking, you can send yourself a test email, and you can also save the post as a draft if you want to continue later on. So do a final check and then click Plan this post, and your post will be scheduled and the notifications will be sent out to your team. So that's how easy it is to create your first post and let your ambassadors share your post to their personal pages or to the business pages you have selected.